Hey dude! Let's roll!
First.
You see the size of this thing?
I would not expect them to be that big. Oh, that was a meal and a half.
Oh!
We've had to bring it with us.
Smile, bruh. Hello. Smile, Dodge. Hello. To the wilderness.
And now we've just sorted out Steve's accommodation. How's it going, bro?
Going good, man.
Here we go. Second story.
Yo.
Steve's gone engineering on this. He reckons this will sort the truck out if the handbrake fails.
You ain't going nowhere!
How's your nature poo, bro?
Eventful.
Poo with a view.
These peppers are so much better than the ones from home.
Proper fresh.
Yeah, they're really nice. One Ella spaghetti, one egg.
Oh shit. No, that's pretty incredible, isn't it?
And follow it through.
Once again, in wrong footwear. Come on, Lance. We really need to learn to start wearing shoes for this. Gotta get to that waterfall. Chill spot.
If you look behind.
I think Lance is trying to cool off. Lance, what are you doing?
Just chilling, like.
Hey, bro.
See that? Refreshing?
Yeah. Oh, he's gone for it. Right. Here. Come here. Come on. Come on then. Hey. He's going along the log. Good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy. Just enjoying this view until Lance slipped, started rolling towards that drop. I had to slide after him and we just stopped by that rock. Past that is, I don't know how big of a drop. The only casualty, I've lost my flip-flop. It's broke.
Yep.
To not falling off cliffs.
No, definitely not.
Asshole.
That we were meant to leave, but we thought we'd stay another day.
Oh.
Oh. There you go.
Oh.
We got 6 for each. Oh my god! Corkscrew backflip. We're trying to get down a ladder. Difficult.
Whoopsie. So hey Steve.
Hey Steve.
Oh.
We gotta go.
Perfect spot.
I'm so sad.
It's okay, Steve.
I'm so sad.
We're gonna go to Milan.
Okay, let's go.
We call to a sharp bend if you push the top left one just a little bit.
Top left one.
Not that one, not that one, top left. I knew giving you that was a bad move, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was, but you know, you're not getting it back either, so.
No.
Ciao. Ciao. Buena. Bella.
You know you're saying hi, good, beautiful.
Yeah.
That makes no sense.
Good. But it's great.
It's great. Go for it.
Beans!
Give it thy beans! Trees! It's so pretty in here.
Isn't it?
Little river down there. Oh! How fast do you want to go, mate?
Off.
Don't put the siren on!
It sounds like he's drunk.
We'll have the Cabinieri coming up like, oh!
It's like he's drunk. Ah. You know what I mean? Yeah, it's a limp version of an ambulance. It's like I've been up mountains, I'm tired.
Don't go too much with it.
It's not that loud.
Yeah, but it's just, if they're trying to concentrate around a hairpin corner.
And there's me trying. At least they definitely know that we're here.
That and the fact there's a 4-ton ginormous van. Right, we are coming into a town now. So.
I might press it too much.
Idiot. Steve just wearing the dog out in the hospital car park, as you do. Trying to wear him out a little bit before the big journey to Milan. Milano!
Milano! Buena, bella!
Stressful driving!
Stressful! No clutch!
With no clutch!
It's hot, isn't it?
Yeah, it's boiling.
It's hot, but it's beautiful. We are exploring. We got all of the market down there. We will. I'm on the hunt for a top. Maybe cross? Je suis? Huh? Je suis?
Oh, shade, yes. My ginger complexion.
Yeah, quick, jump in! His line's free!
My head is okay now.
I can see you now! You were burning! That's beautiful. Ain't enough been graffitied on the bottom there.
They go mad in Europe for graffiti. Well, that shit got kind of not so popular in the 80s in England. And then over here.
Yeah, it's loads of the same thing in it, city life.
Taking turns, one driving, one in the back. We're going to set each of the challenges. Blow! I've lost so many of these. It's ridiculous.
Done! I'm done. Look how nice it looks in this. Look at that. Yes, you would eat that. Go!
Oh, go!
Go!
I lost the kick on that. This thing wobbles. These guys know how to barbecue right. Check out tonight's awesome backdoor view. Parked up by the airport, ready to drop Steve off tomorrow, and I don't want him to go. We've ended things how we started. Steve taking a nature poo. How was your poo, bro? Just dropped Steve back at Turin Airport, so he's gone now, and I'm heading my way back to Milan on my own, and it's peeing it down. Today is gonna suck. I know there's a junction in here, as you do. Gone. Had a pipe split right on my airbag and just no suspension. But thanks to George, we've managed to sort it, use some spare pipe. I'm about to put it back together now. He's in quite a bit of pain, unfortunately, so heading to the local vet. Come on then. Good boy, no!